of Captain Lorenzo Reyes and Kagawad Greg Tumbagahon. And the race is on. Racing from the outside is Silver Ridge, down on the inside Scarab. Scarab, the leader, followed by Saga in second, Rockhen, and racing in third, running in fourth is Lakewood. On the outside is Dark Sequence. Scarab by Hapalan Saga, racing on the outside, Foxy Snows. Saga from the outside, Scarab, Rockhen, Lakewood, Dark Sequence is racing on the outside, running by the Tempest, Silver Ridge, and Boss General worth the wait. And rounding the far turn, Saga by about 2 lengths, followed by Scarab, Lakewood, Dark Sequence, Rockhen is on the further outside, and Tempest. Another far turn, Saga by about 2 lengths, followed now by Rockhen in second. Lakewood is running by Dral and Dark Sequence as they race the final corner. Saga by a length and a Rockhen. Lakewood is running by Dral and Dark Sequence and Tempest. And Saga, Lakewood is running by Dral to grab the lead. Lakewood is now the leader. Saga on the outside and nearing the finish line. Another JB Goose amount, this time on Lakewood. Saga, Boss General, Rockhen, Silver Ridge.